for Sunday Brunch. And this morning we're doing it the Chicago way, all the way Chicago. John Buonavolanto from Buona Italian Beef is here this morning. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
John. And you are going to be guiding us through making an Italian beef.
Yep, I'm going to show you how to make a beef the real way today.
The real way, not the fake way. What's the key to the real Italian beef, the Chicago style?
First of all, the way we make our beef, right, we get our gravy directly from the meat when we're roasting it, right? So it's not like a water-based kind of manufactured thing.
It's all about the gravy.
Straight from the meat. So this gravy is really like liquid gold, right? So today, I guess I'd like to show you guys how to make a beef. So first, you heat up the gravy until it's near simmering, right? Put the beef in. The beef only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook in the gravy. And then building it is, you know, a key part. So,
what kind of bread? Because you got to have a hearty
French bread. Yes, the only one.
It's got to hold up.
It's got to hold up.
So all that meat and juice. Okay, go ahead and build that for us.
Okay, so you want to hold it on an angle, right, so that the hinge doesn't break from all the juice. You want to layer the beef just like that. Make sure you get good pieces.
It's got to be meaty.
It's got to be meaty.
And you know, John, your family story is so interesting. Tell us a little bit about the history, because Italian beef is literally in your blood for generations, right?
Yeah, so I'm in the third generation of the family. My grandfather and my grandmother started it back in 1981 with a little store in Berwyn. And it's been a family business ever since.
And now, locations all over the place and expanding outside of Illinois.
Correct,
as well.
yeah, we have locations all over Illinois and Indiana. We just started offering franchises. We have 3 locations in development in the Nashville, Tennessee area.
Wow.
And then we're reaching some other agreements in Florida, Michigan, and hopefully some more.
I'm sure a lot of places where there are Chicago transplants as well, because
yeah, Arizona, Florida, definitely.
Okay, now we got to get to the good stuff, and that's the giardiniera.
The giardiniera, yeah. I like it hot, but we also have mild, right? So you're just going to put that on there like that. So whatever your specifications are. Could also get a little oil in there, make it real spicy.
Yeah.
Right, and there you go.
And there you go. And you can put that here. Okay, so tell us about, because, a lot of people are doing holiday parties at home, at work, and you've got some packages going on.
We do. So, we have our standard menu here, the Italian beefs, the rigatoni marinara, and the lemon chicken. If you're from the Chicagoland area, I'm sure you've had this at a party before. There's a reason why, right? They're the classics. And you can get these by going to bona.com/catering, and you can place your order online, or you can give us a call, and we'll help you from there.
Okay, and then you can also purchase some of this stuff in the grocery store, right? You can take some of the hard work out of it.
Yeah, we make it real easy to get Buona these days, right? So you could go to the grocery store. Pretty much every grocery store has these, these freezer packs, for quick, easy meals at home.
And that good stuff, the jars.
And the giardiniera.
Of giardiniera. Now, when we're cooking this meat, how long does it take? What is the process to get the meat tender and flavorful? Take us through that.
So I can't give you guys all the secrets.
Okay, you're not going to give us all the secrets, but give us the basics.
I want to keep my job tomorrow. I kind of like what I do.
Give us the basics.
Yeah, so no, we roast the beef in the ovens, right? And then, like I said, the gravy comes from that. We use
But how long is
natural.
it roasting?
It's a slow roast, right? So it takes quite a bit of time. It's a family recipe. And then, with our all natural as well, too. So no, fillers or anything like that. It's an all natural label. And yeah.
And then the juice,
and
the gravy.
The liquid gold.
Okay, do you dip this thing or you don't dip it? What's your opinion on that?
I dip it, but here's the thing though, right? So I'm going to take one of these because it doesn't have the peppers on it.
Okay.
When you dip it, you got to mix the gravy up because the fat sits on top of the gravy.
Oh, yeah, to sit on top, and then
so
it won't be...
you got to mix it up, right?
Okay.
You got to just be careful with it because, see, some people, they like it, falling apart, not me, right?
You like to keep that thing as neat as you possibly can keep it.
I eat a lot of beef, so I like to keep it clean. But yeah, just like that.
All right, beautiful. Thank you so much for coming in, John. Have a great holiday season, and you can check out Buona at one of their many locations around the Chicago area. Also, check their website for some Italian beef gift ideas for the people that love beef in your life. And stay with us. Weekend Buzz is coming up next. Sean Lewis is coming over here to take a bite.
Maybe.
Of the beef.
Maybe. I might like some Buona beef.
Got no ice cream today.
Well.
WGN.